Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, spaghetti or pasta with a creamy tomato tuna sauce. Very, very easy, not many ingredients, does not take long, and it's absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at what we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients for this really simple tuna spaghetti. Cooked spaghetti, 1 can of chopped tin tomatoes, touch of cream. I'm using a single cream, which is a runny cream. You could be using something else. 2 cans, you know, those kind of smallish looking cans of tuna, chopped garlic, onions, some chopped black olives, a little bit of chili powder or cayenne pepper for a nice little kick, and the dried herb that I'm using today is oregano. You could be using something else. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, add some salt and pepper. It's really easy. Let's get over to the cooker right now. Okay, could not be easier. Got a pan here, got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower. You could be using something else if you wanted. Onions, cut them nice and small. Garlic, chopped. Black olives, optional. Cayenne pepper or chili powder and our dried oregano. Touch of salt. Some black pepper. We're on an above medium heat. Let's just throw this around, saute this for about 3 minutes. Super easy. Now it's time to add our tuna, our canned tuna, and that 1 can of tomatoes. Simply, we're going to let this go again on an above medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. We're pretty much done. Stir often. That's looking fantastic. What we're going to do now, a little bit of cream, drop that in. Stir that in and mix that for about 1 minute, 90 seconds only, stirring all the time. And then if you want, you can use this sauce and put this on your spaghetti or pasta, or like me, my spaghetti is going straight in and then a mix up. So I'm going to throw this around in the pan now just to get the sauce all over the pasta there. Then it's ready to serve. And there you go, really easy, creamy tuna tomato pasta with a little kick of the chili. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.